So, I just left Kormangla and I'll be staying in Anekal for the night. And for now, I'm going to this mall called UB City where I'll be meeting up Pratik Naik and we'll be doing a short ride. And we have a couple of things, he has a couple of things lined up for us to do. We'll be visiting some showrooms, some rap guys and all that. Rap as in not the freestyle rap guys, like you know, the car bike rap guys. So this is Bangalore traffic. फोरम मॉल गने हैं बैगन को बोलो वरी ट्रैफिक पेट्रोल डला लेंगे होली हेल sweet M3 man, fuck. So I think this is like the posh area of Bangalore. I've seen MV Agustas, I've seen Harley. Oh, this is only showroom. Vittal Malia Road is the name of this place. The MV Agusta showroom was back there, and oh wow, I seen a Z3. I have seen it after like. Arey, after Kishore Z3, this is the next Z3 I'm seeing, man. Sweet. And I guess Pratik is supposed to be here. अरे इधर मेन रोड क्या है गली क्या है समझ में नहीं आ रहा भाई So I met Pratik Naik finally. That is his CX-10R. There is also a 2016 ZX-10R with us. So we are going to the MV Agusta showroom to check out the bikes because I haven't really seen the MV Agusta bikes in person. And then we'll be proceeding on to do some other shit basically. That's one mean bike. That moment when you regret removing your exhaust. Lol. We are at the MV Agusta showroom. We're gonna go inside in a bit. Fuck. CF3. So we've come down to MV Agusta. It's my friend's 2016 10R. Pratik's 10R, my bike. Let's go inside, have a look. That is the F4 in all its glory. Beautiful single-sided swing arm. Must say looks beautiful in flesh, much better than a Ducati. So we've just finished chilling at the MV Agusta showroom. We were planning to go for test rides, but it's fucked up traffic outside, so we just planned that tomorrow the MV guys are going for a ride, after which we'll come down to the showroom and take test rides of almost all the bikes here. You see, beautiful Brutale and the F3 standing there. So now I'm hungry, so me, Pratik and our friend Aditya, we're gonna go to McDonald's and have a burger. So apparently this is Lavelle Road, which is like the, you know, basically the Jubilee Hills of Bangalore. Loud 10Rs. एक सामने एक पीछे. That's what happens when you go batshit crazy. fun riding with this guy. At least he rips the bike the way it's supposed to be. Now a lot of people might call it unsafe and all, but balls to them. यहाँ से left. I'm following you. McDonald's. So we just done with the lunch at McDonald's. Probably the most fucked up McDonald's I've been to because of the parking. I mean, to save money, they've kept the parking lot in the driveway, so you know that's fucked up. UV ahead. They're back to level road. Probably the first time I'm having a hard time catching a super bike in traffic. No shit. We're just going round and round in circles because that's how Bangalore is, all one ways. So to go somewhere you just have to completely go round and round and round and round and round. Fuck, that's fast. By any standards, that's fast. वही अगर ओल्ड सिटी में रहते थे तो मौत डाल देते थे, कटा मार के देखो खाली। रे 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 रे। Fuck. Baba, he's mad. कफन में दफन कर दे रे। कितनी दूर है और? कितनी दूर है और? 4 kilometers. So green everywhere. It's green everywhere here. ट्रैफिक भी वैसी What the fuck is this, man? Fuck. Know what this is, but there is a huge mesh kind of wall to our left. I think this is Cubbon Park. I don't know. Shit, I'm having a seriously hard time keeping up with him. Back in Hyderabad, I keep up, and in fact, I cruise along with the other liter classes, but finally I see someone who's using the vehicle to its full potential. fuck, that's a savage tree. Lots of savage trees here. Did you guys see that? That's insanity, man. For the first time मेरी फटरी पे देख के बहुत दलदरा भाई आदमी. So by the way, we are going to Rapcrafts. If you guys are thinking if we are just going round and round, no, we're not going round and round. We are going to a place called Rapcrafts because Pratik is getting his bike wrapped over there, and so he also wanted me to check that out. So we're just going there. वैगन अगर यहाँ के रास्ते मालूम रहते थे ना, अपन भी नफीस कटा मार के निकल गए थे अब तक. Ba. I see a crazy mosque here, boss. Mashallah, mashallah. Jummah Masjid Trust Board. Beautiful. Another fancy building. ANS Convention Center. शादी खाना है भाई. सिग्नल पे कैमरा ऑफ करेंगे तो सिग्नल खुलते कि एक्शन शुरू हो जा रहा. देखो भाई फिर से नफीस कटा मारने ले. ज़बरदस्त. राइट स्टांस पे आ गए और ये मारे राइट और ये स्ट्रेट नीचे झुके और ये खींचे नहीं खींच रहे भाई को मालूम कहाँ खींचना कहाँ नहीं खींचना. रे So he says we're almost there at Rapcrafts, and I have to be at a party at 8 o'clock, before 8 o'clock, and I don't think I'm gonna make it because, oh shit, what the fuck. And he says this area is also like Shivaji Nagar. So basically इसका मतलब ये है कि ये भी नामपल्ली मल्लापल्ली टाइप एरिया है. Little bit posh, टोली चौकी समझ लो. लोकेशन चेक कर लिया आप, यही बता रहा.
यही आ रहे हैं ना. कहाँ पे?
नहीं ना भाई.
One road behind I guess.
We have to go straight, take a left.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಶಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದಲ್ಲ HP ಇದಲ್ಲ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್.
So we came to the wrong place because we didn't use Google Maps. I guess Pratik uses Apple Maps. No, he's got an Android. I'd love to see Pratik take a U-turn on his bike. आ जाओ भाई. It's gonna be fun to watch. Fields. Even he's as tall as me, as in we both are short, so but still we can rip through traffic just about fine. I wish I could like have the RSV4 here with me. It would make for a very deadly sight for whole of Bangalore to see two SC projects. So the situation is a local is following a non-local who is in turn relying on GPS. So many navis I see here, man. I don't see them in Hyderabad. And look at him. Sweet. Is it a grey market one? No number plate. बैंगलोर का बाजार घाट आ गए अपन बहुत. अभी टनार ले लेके पीछे आगे जाके लेफ्ट लेते किए. Right. I am loving Bangalore का बाजार घाट because it looks bigger, it feels bigger. खाली देखो माँ की गिरगिरी, पूरा बाजार घाट नहीं दिख रहा है. बाजार घाट मल्लापल्ली करने की चौड़ी रोड रहती नहीं. अच्छा पेट्रोल पंप में है बहुत. भाई अल्लू पहले आ गए तो What, it is in the petrol bunk?
He told you come into the petrol bunk and call me up.
Is that him? So now it is like confirmed that we are in the Bazaar Ghat of Bangalore. As you can see, there's a fight going on at the pump. This is the pump's owner. He is the guy who runs Rapcraft. So Pratik's getting his bike wrapped soon. I'll be heading to Shivaji Nagar from here. I'll meet up Joe sir because I didn't get a chance to meet him yesterday. And I will be heading to MG Road for a party. From where I'll be heading back to my apartment. So चलो निकलता हूँ मैं.
I will take a selfie, no?
अरे हाँ.
भूल ही गए. Selfie is mandatory in Bangalore.
I'm pretty nearby, so I can just say thanks to him, and I have to get my mirror like tightened. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm again gonna be catching up with Pratik tomorrow at the MV Gusto showroom for some test rides and shit like that. So bye bye.